Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the radio fuse in their 2010 Dodge Caliber? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open hood. Open the hood of your Dodge Caliber and find the integrated power module near the air cleaner. Step 2. Remove cover. Carefully remove the cover of the integrated power module to access the fuses inside. Step 3. Locate label. Look at the fuse layout label inside the cover to locate the radio fuse slot. Step 4. Find fuse. Find the 15 amp light blue mini fuse labeled IOD Feed Radio in cavity 20. Step 5. Replace fuse. If needed, replace the fuse with another of the same amperage to ensure proper function. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily locate and replace the radio fuse in your Dodge Caliber. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dodge users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.